All right, so let's take a look at the answers to question number 1. So the word problem says the park department wants to have new trees planted. They agreed that 1/10 of the trees will be oak, 3/10 of the trees will be pine, and 2/10 of the trees will be willow. They are undecided about the rest. What fraction of the trees will be oak, willow, or pine? So those are different types of trees. So the first thing that we can fill in is the whole. So the whole is going to be all of the new trees that are planted. And for our number model with an unknown, we can start by adding 1/10 plus 3/10 plus 2/10 equals T for tree. So remember, an unknown, you can use a letter to represent that. We're just trying to figure out the fraction of the trees that will be oak, willow, or pine. Okay. So then I can show how to solve this using a visual. So I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle, and I am going to divide this rectangle into 10 equal parts. I know to divide it into 10 equal parts because we have a denominator of 10. So I know they are planting 10 total trees. So here's box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I know 1/10 of the trees will be oak. So that means 1 out of 10 trees are going to be oak trees. So I'm going to put an O for oak. And then I'm going to change my color. 3/10 or 3 out of 10 trees will be pine. So I'm going to put P for pine, and I need 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And I'll change my color again to show a different tree. 2/10 will be willow trees. So 2 out of the 10 will be willow. Then we know that the park department is undecided about the rest. So they're asking us what fraction of the trees will be oak, willow, or pine. So I need to add together the number of oak, pine, and willow trees, which I have that equation written right here. So when I add together 1/10 plus 3/10 plus 2/10, I can easily count. Here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. So 6/10 of the trees will be oak, willow, or pine. And it's important that I'm putting this label here because it's asking for the unit to be included.